my name is Allison. Spivak. I'm going to tell you about the lolly bridge today. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get this lolly bridge thing. And then we're going to put it on. We're going to put it on like this. Screwing it in, but no hammers, no screwdrivers. You can also know, no screwdrivers, no hammers. No screwdrivers, no hammers. Put it gently on with your hand. You can probably still do that, but don't do that because we don't want to break it. Once you're happy, you can put on the lolly bridge and then pump it out. As we pump it out, thank you for watching this video. 3.com/Allison Spivak. Max Spivak.